This error message happens if you use your McAfee products on your PC. Now, if you don't want to stop using McAfee apps, here's how to fix it on Windows. So McAfee itself recommends removing the application using one of the many ways to uninstall software on Windows. But if that does not work, it's time to use the McAfee Consumer Product Removal tool. So in order for you to do it, download the MCPR tool from the McAfee support. Then upon downloading, run the executable file by double-clicking on it. Now once you have accepted the agreement and completed the security validation check, the tool will remove your McAfee products. Then upon completion of the process, you should see a removal complete message indicating that the software has been removed. Now if you see this message, click Restart to reboot your device. If not, repeat the removal process. Then once your device boots up again, download and install the McAfee products you uninstalled. Then hopefully, uninstalling the McAfee products and reinstalling them from scratch will help you resolve the problem and you won't re-encounter the error. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.